Hey everyone, in this video we are going to solve same tree. We are given two roots of binary tree p and q and we have to write a function to check if they are same or not. Means the value are same or not. So in the solution we are going to use recursive function. So first we have to check for the edge cases. That will be if both nodes are null, then we simply return null. And if one is null and the other is not, means the value cannot match, so we return false. And we recursively check every value plus left subtree and plus the right subtree. So let's write the code for same. If p equal to null and q equal to null. Let's see what's given in the structure of tree node. So it will be null pointer. So we have to check null ptr, which is null pointer. And as I've told, so if both the pointers are null, so we return true. And if one is null, means p equal to null pointer or q equal to null pointer, then we return false. We are using the OR condition in this because in the first condition it will be obvious that p is not equal to null or q is not equal to null. So we check this condition, and in last we call the recursive function in which we write our conditions. That will be, we have to check in the values, so that will be p of value equal to q of value, and we have to check other condition. That will be if the tree is same. We have to check in the left subtree and the right subtree. So first we check in the left subtree, and the other condition will be for the right tree, means the right subtree. So that will be p of right q of right. Some of the user might be thinking that we are not moving the pointer. We cannot move the pointer. In the recursion, it automatically becomes the next pointer. Like when we are passing the p left, so the new node will be the root. Let's run this code. Submit it. Its time complexity will be big O of n, as we are checking all the nodes, and the space complexity will be big O of h in the worst case, means the recursive call goes to height of binary tree. If you want to understand about the height of binary tree, go check out my video, link in the description. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.